Alright, today we're gonna assemble this Weber Genesis. You get all your screws set up, set all your parts out nice and neat, like so. Alright, just to start it off, now you want to grab that piece right there, that front, that side right there, and the right side. You want to use that box that it came out of as a table to build on. You want to grab that front, then you want to grab that left side. You want to put one screw in that top corner. You want to do the same thing to the right side. One screw in that top corner. Then you want to take this bottom. You want to slide this bottom in there. And you want to get this back. You just want to hook the top hooks that's on the side panels that you put the one screw in. Because you got to fit that bottom panel. You got to sit on the lip, the front and the back piece. So just slide it in there, catch them bottom hooks. Then you got your back panel. They got hooks too. Just sit it on the back and it just drop down in place. You want to come over here, you want to get your little brace, your gas tank holder, and your door stopper. It's the hardware you're going to need. This little push pin, that's going to go into your little brace, right into the bottom of the bottom panel. It's a little hole. Just push it in there. Then you want to take them little knobs. You want to get your two screws. Them your gas tank stoppers. They stop your gas tank from hitting the wall. That right there, that's your door stopper. One screw right there. Gonna be two holes right there on that left panel at the bottom. Put your screw from the outside and put them two little black. They like gas can stoppers. They stop the gas can from hitting the wall. And that right there, that's your gas can hook. Two screws. You want to take them now. See the little groove in it? Just pop them in the side right there. Here's your hardware for your side tables. The big silver screws, you're just going to take them and put them in the top hole on each side. You want to take them little gray ones that's left over and get your side tables. Just pop the little keyholes on there, drop them in, and them little gray ones you got, put them in the bottom hole. Same thing to the other side. Take your little wire, that's a little wire holder. It's a little hole right here on this right side up top. Just pop it in there. Yeah, we'll use it later. You just want to go around them three holes that we didn't put screws in earlier on the left side. Pop them in. Right side, same thing, 3 more screws. The back side, You're gonna need 5 screws. Cause that brace we put in earlier, it got a hole that sit right there in the middle of the panel. Got your wheels. You wanna grab your grill, you wanna lay it down. Got 4 little push pins. It should be 4 little push pins. Now pop them in the little holes on the bottom panel to connect them to the front and the back panel. And you want to get your wheels. Always remember them wheels right there with the red thing on them. They go on the front. And your lock wheels. You can drop them onto the ground. And get your head ready. Always make sure that all those wires are hanging on the outside top of that hose at the gas line. Because you don't want to get them tangled up when you're dropping this grill head into the cart. So that screw right there.
Negative end.
Negative end, that goes to that battery box right now. Take your AA battery, pop it in the negative end out. Sit the cart behind the grill, sit the gas line in the grill, grab the grill, make sure everything drops inside the cart, the gas line, and the battery. Alright, your inside guts. Take your heat shields, 3 of them, they drop right in place at the bottom. Your flavorizer bars. Pop in the cookie ring. Sit your little warmer right there. Just got little hooks, just sit on the back. Little tape come to the side of the grill and this side, remove that. Alright, all we got left, a few screws. Front panel, knobs. Those 2 screws right there, they get washers. Connect right into the front of the grill. They connect the grill to the cart in the front. That panel right there, it just sit on top of the knob. Make sure that white cord drops down freely so it can get to the battery box. Pop your knobs on. Silver screws. Put it right there in the bottom of the panel. Connect them 2 white wires from your control panel to the battery box. Battery box got 2 hooks on the side. Just pop it in the side and just sit in there. Then tuck them in, and tuck all the wires into the little wire harness I was telling you about earlier. Sit it in the little hole where the hook catch. Use one of the black screws with the washer. Let grease catch on the back panel. Take them 2 long skinny screws. As long as your grill lined up, it's 2 holes on the back. Take that screw right there. Pop one in each side. You take this back panel with all the information on it. Set that on, use 2 of the black screws with the washers. There's your little basket holder that sit on your grease trap. Just pop in 2 of the holes, and then you pull it up a little bit. Sit right so, the grease trap. Tighten up them 2 screws in the front. There's the grease trap. The 2 little pins that's left over, put to the bottom. You set your doors right on them. And the push pin to the top. Put the doors on. You can get the burgers and the steaks ready. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Have a blessed day.